Hey guys, it's Nate doing a Sunday review for our weekly setups. First things first, head over to the website, look over the risk disclaimer. It's also found in the Discord, and so make sure you just look over all of that. So getting started, I'm going to review last week really quick. So last week we had AMAT, was a terrific move, new all-time highs, really great move, not one single red day on the week. So triggered and never looked back. So great move there. DDD, same thing, took double inside day up, great move. Monday start out inside day hammer and then shot up more, so good move there. Fubo, same thing, we've been on it since this 2462 breakout and then it shot up, so hit our target area, pulled back, not surprised there. Lily, triggered on Tuesday rather than Monday, outside day Monday, Tuesday triggered, and then launched up, so good 3 days there. Love, inside day, triggered up off the bottom part of the Brownian formation after making new lower lows, and then great move on the week. I'm not sure. That looks to be, what is that? 11% move there, so on the week, so great move. Macy's, same thing. They held support here, 25.5, took the downward trend line up, great move. MasterCard, initially took it up, came down, made new lower low on this hammer here. That was a good reversal candle to get in on Thursday, Friday, gap above. So look at that this week. Mara, another great one on that downward trend line. Good solid 4 days there. So good move this week. McDonald's, nasty little inverted hammer there on Friday, but we got those new all-time highs on Monday, just like what we were looking for, triggered, and then push. So good week there. And Procter & Gamble, PG, good, triggered on Tuesday here on the outside day, retested things, great outside day on Thursday, continuation on Friday. SoFi, double inside day on the inside week up, so great action there. Spotify, kind of wishy-washy, took it up on Monday, and then tried to continue on Tuesday, couldn't really do it, pulled back on the week. TXN, triggered here on Tuesday, actually triggered on late Monday, confirming it, got into the gap, so good move there. Walmart, kind of wishy-washy action, triggered on Monday, then re-triggered again, outside day, bearish outside day on Friday, don't really care for that. And Zoom, triggered here on Monday on the outside day, tried pushing up and then went outside week to close the week on Friday. So this week we have Apple coming out. I want to see it coming out of this downward trend line here, take the inside week up over 153.17, and then see if they can't test the current high is 157.26. We'll just see how the market reacts this week. I'll go over the SPY and Qs here in a few, but I do like that for a good play. AbbVie, we're holding here. It never triggered our inside day action. So see if we can't get a nice push over 117.69 here, up to the 120, 120, and 122. AMGN, double inside day. Gonna hold off on it taking it up right away. We'll look for 220 breakout to confirm the move on the week, and then 225, 227. Caterpillar, I like the inside week action. It's also an inside month for the month of October. So if they take the weekly up, then it takes the month up. But I don't really care for that shooter on Friday. So we'll see how it reacts with the infrastructure bill being passed. So we'll see. Over 208.88 would be my trigger. CVX in this upward channel here just keeps rising. And so I'm looking for a move over 115, test the January 2020 highs. And if you look at it on a monthly scale, I got this trend line there. So coming into that, but I do like it overall with the inside week hammer there. Dollar General went right to the gap here on Thursday. No surprise, it went inside day on Friday after not getting into that gap. So we'll see if we can get into a 232 and close it up here, 233 area this week. Jumia, like it, needs to come out of this downward trend line, get over 19.5, push up over 20 earnings, not this week but following week. So we'll see if they can't get a nice pre-earnings run there. JPM, pretty weak. Banks pretty weak post FOMC this past week. Inside day, see if they can't break it down and get under 166.5 this week, and this will be about the midpoint of this Brownian formation here. So see if they can't get under it and work towards lower. Lyft, I like it. Held this gap here on the earnings gap, tested it here, and then they came back up on Friday. I'm not sure if that was due to Uber's earnings on Friday, but either way, I like it. Coming in at 54 here. 54 is congested here and here, so see if they can't push it 55 and then push over this 56, 70 area. Pins in this Brownian formation here. So outside days here, coming out of this downward trend line, post earnings, gap above, get up here over 47 this week, and then 50, 51.39 would be my target spots to test entry into that gap. A lot of drama with this one on the PayPal news on this day, but we'll just see what happens there. Tilray, I like this one. The wellness names are coming into play now. This time of year they always seem to come into play. So looking at some January calls here on this one coming out of this falling wedge. I like it over 11.30 push, and then get over this 12 break, and then we can see higher. Twilio, no surprise it went into the gap this week post earnings. They took the inside day up and then worked itself up into the gap. It was on my list last week, but it just didn't make the cut. So we'll see if what it does this week as it makes the list. See if they can get gap fill continuation over 317. Get up here to 330 area, and then up here around 344. Uber, I like this one, but I'm gonna wait for 49.29 breakout, get up over 50, 51.03. Held the gap here, and then they've held support at 45. So I like that one. Walgreens, so on a weekly we're stuck inside this candle here. So these three candles are stuck inside that one. So that's what we're seeing here. Really, all of these daily candles are stuck inside this one daily candle. So get over 50.35, work towards 50.87, and then 51.78, 51.93. And Zen, gap play on the inside week. They took the double inside day down, but they're holding 100. See if they can't push over 105.21. Gives a partial gap fill to basically 110 this week. And then the SPY, so all-time highs. So you got this here. I'll go a little bit further out, and it just keeps that's riding that upward trend line there. So top of that Brownian formation play there. So kind of a spinning top there on the day. Nothing major. It did pull back intraday, but we'll see what happens this week. See if they can't push it more. Pretty bullish November thus far. So, and the Qs, similar situation. Strong week Friday. So we'll see what happens as far as tech goes. But we'll just stick to our plan and take each day by day. So if you guys have any questions, let me know, and let's have a great week.